welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a new folder in Macbook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, as you can see, the screen is here. Now if you want to create a folder, then simply, if you are using a mouse, then simply you have to right click on it, and after right clicking on it you will see the options like this. If you are using a MacBook, then simply what you need to do, you have to press the control key, and after that you have to simply press on the screen, and after pressing on the screen you will see the options like this. So if you want to create a folder, then you have to click on the new folder, and after clicking on the new folder we have to write the name here. For example, I'm going to write the name like the docs here, so let's write it and then press the enter. So as you can see, the folder is created. Now if you want to drag this, if you want to move it, you can also do that. I'm going to move this here, and after that, if you want to check out the folder options, you have to press the control and then simply you have to click on the mouse pad again. So let's click on this, and after that you will get all options related to your folder setting. And after that you will get all options related to your folder setting. If you want to get info about this, you can also do that. If you want to rename it, you can also do that. If you want to make a duplicate of this, and all options are provided here, you can use them as per your need. So in this way you can create a folder in Macbook OS. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a folder on Macbook OS. So see you guys in the next video.